Some places on earth don't feel like earth, not because they are dangerous, not because they are hidden, but because when people stand there, their instinct starts malfunctioning. The sky looks edited, the ground feels fake, and reality behaves slightly wrong. These aren't movie sets, they aren't computer generated, they are real locations you could visit today. And once you see them, your brain keeps asking you one question: why does this exist? Let's go there. This isn't a travel video. I'm not showing you beautiful places. I'm showing you places that feel glitched. Places where nature looks unfinished, over-designed, or simply out of place. Some of them look peaceful until your brain realizes they don't belong. Number 1. The door to hell. Turkmenistan. In the middle of a desert, there's a crater that's been burning for over 50 years. It's called the Davasa gas crater. In the 1970s, scientists drilled into the ground. The earth collapsed. Gas started leaking. To stop it, they lit it on fire, expecting it to burn out in a few days. It never did. Now the ground glows orange at night. Flames climb from inside the planet. Standing there feels like the earth cracked open and forgot to close. It doesn't look natural. It looks like the planet is malfunctioning. Number 2. The Pink Lake, Australia. There's a lake in Australia called Lake Hylia. The water is bright pink. Not reflection, not pollution, not lighting. Actual bubblegum colored water. From the air, it looks fake, like someone used Photoshop on Earth. Scientists say bacteria and salt create the color, but your brain doesn't accept that easily. Water isn't supposed to look edible. When people see it in real life, the first reaction is always the same: this can't be real. But it is, and that's the uncomfortable part. Number 3. The Moving Stones, Death Valley. In Death Valley, rocks move by themselves. No animals, no people, no wind strong enough. Yet heavy stones slide across dry ground, leaving trails behind them. For decades, nobody knew why. Some moved straight, some curved, some crossed paths. It looked intentional. Eventually, scientists discovered thin ice forms underneath, letting stones drift slowly when wind pushes them. But watching it happen feels wrong. Rocks don't migrate, yet here, they do. It feels like the desert has its own logic. Number 4. Blood Falls, Antarctica. In Antarctica, there's a waterfall that bleeds. It's called Blood Falls. From a white glacier, deep red water pours out like an open wound. At first, people thought it was algae, but it's actually iron-rich water trapped for millions of years. When it touches oxygen, it turns red like rusted blood. Standing there feels disturbing. Ice isn't supposed to bleed. The planet looks injured, and your brain doesn't like seeing nature look alive in the wrong way. Number 5. Socotra Island, Yemen. Socotra looks like an alien planet. Trees shaped like umbrellas. Plants that don't exist anywhere else on Earth. Over 30% of its life forms are unique. When people land there, their first thought isn't Earth, it's simulation. The dragon blood tree literally looks designed. Red sap flows from its bark. Nothing feels random. It feels like nature experimented too hard and forgot to reset. It's Earth running a different software. Number 6. The Crooked Forest, Poland. In Poland, there's a forest where every tree bends the same way. Hundreds of pine trees curve sharply at the base. Nobody knows why. Not snow, not wind, not gravity. They all point like they were commanded. Walking through it feels staged. Forests are supposed to be chaotic. This one feels organized. Almost intentional, like something edited nature's blueprint. Number 7. The Eternal Lightning Storm, Venezuela. At Lake Maracaibo, lightning never stops. It strikes over 200 nights per year, sometimes for 10 hours straight. No thunderstorms moving in, no clouds leaving, just endless electricity in the same sky. Sailors used it as navigation light centuries ago. Imagine standing under a sky that refuses to sleep. The atmosphere looks alive. And when lightning becomes normal, your sense of danger breaks. The sky shouldn't behave like a machine, but here it does. Number 8. The gravity hill illusions. There are roads around the world where cars roll uphill, engines off, neutral gear, and yet the car climbs. Your eyes swear gravity is reversed. Your brain panics before logic steps in. It's just perspective, but for a moment, physics looks wrong. And when gravity looks wrong, everything else feels unreliable. Your brain hates that feeling. Number 9. The Bermuda Triangle. Light touch. Ships disappear. Planes lose instruments. Compasses spin. The Bermuda Triangle isn't magic, but it's chaotic. Magnetic variation, weather anomalies, human error. Still, something about the region feels hostile to navigation. Not deadly, just uncooperative. When machines fail together, humans feel small. The ocean reminds you it doesn't care about direction. Number 10. The place with no shadows. Near the equator, there are moments when shadow vanished. The sun sits perfectly overhead. Objects float visually. Depths disappear. Your brain uses shadows for grounding. Without them, the world looks unfinished, like reality forgot to render detail. People say it feels like walking inside a photo. Not dangerous, just wrong. Earth feels familiar because we live on it. But familiarity is an illusion. The planet isn't designed for comfort. Some places obey the rules, others quietly rewrite them. And when nature behaves differently, our confidence disappears. Because the most unsettling realization is simple. The world isn't strange. We just aren't used to seeing it properly.